Good morning, my name is Allison. My name is Austin, and welcome to another Getaway Adventure video. Today, we are going for a mountain bike ride, and then we'll see what we get ourselves into the rest of the evening. Because all we planned for was this bike ride.
And then tomorrow, we're going to a car dealership.
Yeah, so we're gonna find out if we get a car or not. Honestly, we don't know, but you probably know if you click on clicked on this video.
It's not that weekend.
No.
I think it's like.
Oh, nice.
That's weird.
You're supposed to go over those sand things.
Yeah, but I was just trying to like kind of come off it and come into this one.
I might just roll it. We'll see. Yeah. Like I said, I've seen, I know it's hittable, just maybe not by Austin. Not right now. I've always thought about coming out here and putting a lip in, but I just...
What's up?
I said I've always thought about coming out here and trying to put a lip there, because it would be sick with a lip, but...
You said there's another one?
Yeah, it's up here a bit. That one has a better run in. Aye. I said Pivot just came out with a new bike.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah.
That looks sick.
Yeah, it's their like new trail bike. It's called the Trail Cat. And it comes in two variations. It comes in a 120, 140 or a 135, 150.
Oh, that's cool.
It's very like trail focused, but...
Wait, is that the one you were talking about last weekend?
No, that was before it came out. The other one's the Switchblade.
Oh, gotcha.
Which is 142, 160. It's sick. I just feel like it's hard because 90% of our riding is this.
Yeah. Is that the dump you can smell?
Yeah, because the wind's blowing right at us. I couldn't smell it. My nose is plugged up. That's gnarly. Feeling good, Maddie?
Yep.
Keep cranking?
Yep.
Alrighty. You better pedal. Pedal, 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 pedal. You're fine, you're fine. I love you. Because this is the fun little section. Climb! Climb! Ha! Oh no! Go, go!
Oh.
Good job, Maddie. Hell yeah. That's what our old boss used to do. He'd ride his bike to work. Yeah, Brian. He'd wear, what are they, Tevas? Or Chacos?
Oh yeah,
He was
both
a
of them.
chocolate.
He was a Chacos guy with socks.
Really?
With socks, and he'd tuck his jeans into the socks and ride his bicycle to work.
Wow.
He was cool.
I feel way better on the bike than I did last time. Not gonna lie. Now, after the bike ride, now for some lunch. All right, so after we ate lunch with Maddie and Aiden, we got home, played with Coco for a little bit, and then Austin got a call from his brother-in-law about going for a bike ride. So I am too tired. My buttocks really hurt, so I decided I'm not gonna go on the bike ride. I do want to get the video done. To be honest with you, I haven't started editing it till right now. So that's what I'm gonna do while Austin goes for a bike ride. We're a little bit early.
Yep. Better early than late.
Yeah. We're not getting this kind of Bronco. We're getting the sport one. Kind of like
This
that,
one?
but not that color.
Mm-mm.
But we're here early, so we're here to stress out and be nervous.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, so we went to 3 dealerships. First one, very disappointed. Okay,
Ken
maybe
Brody Ford of Buena Park. I'm not trying to throw shade, but I am, because we drove 2 hours after having spoken to someone and they confirmed our appointment. They hounded us to make sure we were coming. We got down there, car's in service and is not available.
So
we drove 2 hours.
Yeah, we drove 2 hours. We left at 7 o'clock in the morning to be at this appointment, just for them to tell us that the car isn't available because it's something with...
It had a high idle, they said, and he goes, but don't worry, it's a gold certified car, so it'll get fixed, it'll all be good.
Don't worry.
Which is great. But I still drove 2 hours to look at the car, and I can't look at it. That's the problem I'm having.
Yeah, so we're very disappointed, and then we went to another one, and come to find out that that one that we looked at was actually sold yesterday.
It sold last night, he said.
So that's a bummer. And then we tried another one up here in Chino Hills, and
it wasn't bad.
Yeah.
It wasn't, so we looked in Outer Banks. This one was a Big Bend, so Big Bend's base model. But it had heated seats and...
Yeah, sorry if we're talking too much. We're just trying to... Oh, there's...
We're a little worked up because
Yeah.
we've had a hell of a day trying to find cars, and it has not gone great.
No. We're done. We're done car shopping for today. Unfortunately, we didn't get anything.
Nope.
But right now, we're just going to enjoy the rest of the Sunday. It's Super Bowl Sunday. If you're watching this, yes, it's Super Bowl. And we're going to go eat some lunch with my brother and Coco. Say hi, Mom.
Hi. Who is that?
A camera?
Oh, God. I took all your bacon. I'll be back.
Alright, we didn't want to show the whole process because, to be honest, it's quite boring and we've been on the phone for over 2 hours. There's a lot of back and forth because they added basically $5,000 over what they marketed online, which was a big no for us. So we continued to negotiate, and then...
Let's do it, brother. Let's wrap it up.
Holy crap, we got a car.
Oh, zipper compartment back here. Huh.
It's right here. It's my favorite part.
How funny that is.
So we got this car pretty late last night, as you can tell. We'll do a deep dive into the Bronco next weekend. We're actually taking it out on a little road trip to Joshua Tree / Yucca Valley. So we'll take you guys along for that ride, but we're gonna end it right here. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye! This isn't a rental.